Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afin, and today we're going to learn about how to store the elements in a file called elements.txt. Could be any file, okay? I'm just saying it because as you can see, I have the file over here that's like that, okay? And then I stored in the first file all the elements I stored in the first file. Then I store these elements in my second file, putting a serial number before the elements. Example, 1 hydrogen, 2 helium, and so on. Then in my third file, I'm going to put the serial numbers before the elements. But what I'm going to do is I'm putting usually 2 letters at the start. So I'm printing 2 letters for each element, and they're at the start, like 1 HY, 2 HE, something like that. So here's the example. I first write my input over here and enter the number of elements and write my elements. Then here's where I store all my elements in the first file. In the second one, I store all my elements here, but what I'm gonna do is now put a serial number and a dash before the element. Then here I'm going to do putting the serial number before the element, but I'm putting here 2 letters at the start. Like, it's like slicing usually. So I just want to basically print 2 letters. So now, how do we make this code? So we first make the empty string. Element equals to empty string. Okay. The number of elements. Elements equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter the number of elements. So put here colon. I can do simple work here. Okay, now for I, it's like an empty list, but the only difference is you're just making an empty string. So for I in range, number of elements. I did capital, guys. Sorry, that's better. Element. Okay, so element equals to input bracket quotation marks enter your element. Okay, now what I want to do is file not dot equals to open. So now I want to open my file into the first file elements.txt, as you guys can see here. Sorry guys, I'll just delete all of this and also the symbol too. Okay, that's good. Just checking. Yeah, so I'm opening, so here, elements.txt. So I'm opening the first file, which is elements.txt, and I'm storing all these elements over here into this file without the serial numbers, without serialization, usually, basically. And then comma A mode. Now what we will do is file, dot write elements. Because if I didn't write it, it won't store all the elements here. But I want to, so you do file dot write elements. Element. Okay? And now new line, so slash n. So now it's going to write all the elements. It's going to write all of these elements here into this first file. Okay, and new line too, because I did slash n. If I didn't do it, it's just going to stay on one line. Okay? Then I close the file dot close. Because if I didn't do it, it's not going to work. Like, let's say I have a book. If I opened it and I never close. And let's say I open it and someone says, hey Afner, like, hey Afner. So let's say I'm working on my computer. Someone says, hey Afner, can you close the, so I mean, can you come here for a second? And then I say, okay. So I'm done with my thing, okay? Like I'm done with the computer. And without closing it, what would happen? You never know, let's see if the battery's down or something. So continue. So let's just continue here. Oh, what did I do again? Yes, correct. So now file equals to open. Now what I would do is elements.txt comma normal. So by default values are elements equals to file.read lines. Now for I in elements, okay? I mean, no, not now. We want to close the file. Sorry, guys. File dot close. Now what we would do is now file equals to open elements dot. Elements underscore elements underscore serial number dot txt, and I open it in write mode. Okay, now number equals to 1. Now for I in elements, right? So elements. Now we would have to use file dot write. Now string formatting, I completely forgot. Oh, number dash I. Okay, slash it. Now what I would do here is now number equals to number plus 1, like how I would do sum equals to sum plus 1. Now file equals to open the serial symbol. Serial underscore symbol dot txt comma on write mode. Comma write mode. Now what I would want to do is now number equals to 1 again. Oh no. That was I'm not supposed to open that actually. Sorry guys. This is dot txt was supposed to be elements. Elements dot txt in read mode. So by default this are I told you that guys before. File dot read lines, and then that's it. Now file dot close. Oh, fuel. What did I try, guys? My typing is maybe too fast. I mean, not that fast usually. It's like average speed. Equals to open. Now serial underscore symbol. Finally, dot txt. And we write this in write mode. Now number equals to now number equals to number equals to 1. And same thing for I and elements. Do the same thing, file dot write. So let's see 3 elements. Okay, so file dot write. We'll do that in the input. So number dash, now indexing. So slicing. 0 colon 2. So writes 2 letters. Sorry guys, slash n. not m, /n. And then number equals to number plus 1. Now, guys, stop, run. Okay, guys, so let's run input. Where? Let's go up. I guess where did I? Wait, it says at line 4. Okay, oh, guys, I guess it's like, maybe I read too fast. I don't know why. Hydrogen, helium. Oh, forgot to show you. Helium, lithium. That's it. Serial number. That's it. Symbol. That's it. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to do this. So how do you store elements in the first file, writing all the elements in there. Then in the second file, you write all the elements, but before the elements, you write the serial number. Then in the third file, you write the serial numbers before the elements, but the elements have 2 letters each. So I hope you like about this video. I hope you really learned something from this, and bye.